Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am making radish parota. Please watch this vlog, don't skip. First of all, I removed the radish peel. Next, grated like this. This recipe is make the low ingredients. Next, remove the water. Next, fried with 4 types of ingredients. Add 1 spoon oil. Next, add grated radish. Fry it well for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add half spoon turmeric powder, half spoon red chilli powder, half spoon jeera powder, finally half spoon salt. Mix it well. Fry it for 2 minutes. Cover the lid. After fry, add chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Fry it for 1 minute. Radish fried mixer ready. Next, I made it with parota batter. Make the parota with radish mixture like this. This recipe is very easy to make and tasty. Try this. Next, fry it well, both sides. After half fry, apply the oil. Full fry both sides. Very healthy and tasty. Radish parota ready. Let's serve with some curries. I hope like this video. Support our channel. I will do good videos for you. Please support our channel. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.